Hello, my name is Muhammad bin MAHADI. My MUHD number is A20B2T04. I will explain about the Ikea background. Ikea is founded in years 1943 by Inviger Kemprad at the age of 17 years old. The first business that they started is by selling a household good like pens, wallet and picture frame. And the first showroom for Ikea company, they convert the old workshop to make the best showroom in AMARUL in Sweden, where people can look the product before buying the product. Also, Ikea is a company from Sweden, but now it's selling a furniture all around the world. And one of the biggest company in the world because of having a lot of store, which is 345 in 42 countries all around the world. Other than that, in Malaysia, Ikea has 4 store or warehouse that selling furniture and household need, which is in Selangor, Johor and Kuala Lumpur. But the biggest Ikea in Malaysia is at Selangor Damansara, and a lot of people come there to buy the furniture because of reasonable price, and the management is good over there by having a big warehouse, and the layout of the warehouse is managed in good plan, by that is easier to access. Next is vision. Ikea vision is to create better everyday life for many people. The vision is about giving back to people. Second is mission, which is to offer a wide range of well-designed functional home finishing product at price so low that as many people possible will able to afford them, which is now we can see Ikea is one of the best place to buy furniture at the best price and good quality.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZAKWAN HARIZ and my metric number is A20B1264. So I'm going to present my part for the IKEA integrated enterprise. So for integrated enterprise, IKEA can be simplified to 2 main sections. The first one is the manufacturing and the second one is the logistic. For the manufacturing, IKEA is a well-known company and are one of the biggest furniture retailer in the world. This company allocates operational data and begins the manufacturing processes while keeping to its performance standards in the company. IKEA manufacturing has met 4 criteria in the product design process, which are affordability, sustainability, good design and the functionality of their product. The effectiveness and the capability are completely utilized to guarantee that the fundamental concept of the company is applicable and sustainable. Plus, it can also affect the minimal price on their product. IKEA have also utilized less commodities and expense limited options to manufacture and distribute replacement equipment. For the logistic section, IKEA had a great distribution system for shipping products. IKEA have employees install logistic manager to handle their inventory management and logistic distribution process. This install logistic manager have provide a smooth distribution of item in each IKEA store, which resulting to maintaining their high sales and increasing their customer satisfaction.
And now I will continue to talk about the company integrated. So there is 2 other points, which is the customer relationship management and also the market distribution network. So in the customer relationship management, there is 3 common things, which is the customer satisfaction, customer expectation and also the service reliability. For the market distribution network, there is 2 common things, which is the deliveries and also the communication. So for the deliveries, basically IKEA will process the order at the minimum period, depending on the place, by the business days. So IKEA also provides a COD that is included with the delivery fees depending on weight, volume and the maximum length by the parcel. for the communication. So the great connection and conversations between the suppliers and customers will give the good benefits, especially in the demand prices.
Next, I will explain about the strategic supplier partnership, which is the first is connection between organization with the supplier, which is planning for a long-term relationship with the supplier and make a good relationship. Also, IKEA having a relationship with the supplier and manufacturing that enable IKEA to obtain high quality material at a good price on what is purchased. That we can see IKEA will make a good relationship with the supplier to get the best price as possible. Other than that, IKEA obtain a high quality material at a good price on the purchase, which is they will choose a good material on the product that they are selling. Next is high volume global business retailer that get product from over 1,800 supplier in 50 countries, which is we can see IKEA having a lot of supplier that help them to produce a good product. Also, IKEA obtain high quality material at reasonable price for the product. Lastly, is IKEA had an excellent supplier partnership.
IKEA have also utilized the customer relationship practice in their business, because customer relationship can help their company to fulfill their customer demand. This is because customer relationship management is a concept that describes how business manage and analyze their customer interaction and data across the product lifestyle. This method has been recognized by IKEA as an essential tool for managing an organization customer and potential customer relationship. This is because by building connections with their customer, it will helps the company to entails and giving higher value to their potential customer than their competitors in the marketplace. The goal of customer relationship is to strengthen the customer relationship, encourage customer retention in their business, and also increasing their sales and profit. IKEA has been acknowledged for providing their customer with an outstanding shipping experience of their product, as well as for the care and attention that they devote to their customer and their demands. Customer satisfaction is constantly monitored as part of IKEA's business strategy, and IKEA also has a specialist who helps the company to maintain their customer satisfaction and happiness.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin NORAZAHAR. My metric number is A20A1487. Today I will discuss about the information system and the conclusion of the IKEA. So first, for the information system, IKEA has its own IT system called PIA, which is the short form for the Product Information Assistance. So actually, this system is established in 1997 and known as one of IKEA's most important IT software and database. So its primary goal to aid in the administration of product specification and its beneficial in product infrastructure projects. This IT system can immediately acquire information and analysis from all internally and externally, allow the concept, manufacturing methods, transportation, and retailing to work in even the most economical way possible. So PIA allows IKEA workers to collect the data or present the evidence, including management accounts. So the database constantly receives the intended and unintended interactions from its in defense.
Utilization 2PL is a second-party logistics service. This is a network of logistics service providers for a single operation to meet the needs of goods owners, but it is not integrated with logistic activities because it is only one stage in the logistic chain. For IKEA, they have a do-it-yourself assembly concept that lowers packaging costs where customers bring back the items they bought. This is due to the fact that Most IKEA furniture is designed and sold in pieces, making it easier for customers to take home and assemble. Furthermore, the pieces are arranged in the convenient and efficient flat package for lower cost transportation because it takes up less space in the truck, maximizing the number of products that can be shipped and lowering order fulfillment. 3PL is a third-party logistics service. 3PL focus on operation, warehousing, and transportation services. Carry Logistic, a global leader in logistics service, has signed a contract with IKEA to provide a variety of services in Thailand. Carry Logistic is in charge of a variety of value-added services centered on the label printing and labeling before shipping to IKEA stores throughout Asia. Carry Logistic will process over 7,500 SKUs of goods for labeling. 4PL is similar to 3PL in that it is built on the 3PL platform, but it encompasses a broader range of operation, including 3PL operation, IT services, and business process management. 4PL is regarded as a point of contact where management, consolidation of all resources, and monitoring of 3PL function throughout the distribution chain are aimed at achieving a global market, strategic advantage, and long-term relationship. IKEA is one of the world's largest furniture companies. The furniture retailer and manufacturer have 445 locations in more than 50 markets. IKEA sells about 12,000 different furniture items in its shops and on its website. Its items are intended for the buyer to put together, which will deter certain customer. Therefore, IKEA is providing 4PL services to deliver goods to customers. Cooperation with competitor. Cooperation is the action of someone who is being helpful by doing what is wanted or asked. IKEA has more competitors in its business industry. For example, Walmart and other offers a similar product. Therefore, there are three big company competitors for the IKEA, which is Lightspace, Carry Logistic, and H&N. First and foremost, IKEA focus on competition-based pricing with other competitors. IKEA prices are cheaper than those of its competitors. IKEA negotiates price with supplier, impacts material quality, and monitor social and working conditions. IKEA also made a long-term commitment to supplier by signing long-term contracts, lowering product price. Home furnishing product, or called as IW, which contains minimum rules and guidelines to help manufacturers reduce the environmental impact of their activities. Second, IKEA will match competitor price. And third, it is established a price that is greater than other competitor price. This technique is implemented with pricing strategy using the competitor's price as a benchmark. In addition, IKEA has partnered with Lightspace to provide interior design and renovation services that unique to Malaysia and like never seen before. The collaboration will provide access to personalized design, high quality home furnishing and installation work, transparent pricing, and guarantee move-in timeline. IKEA also collaborate with HAM to achieve 100% fabric recycling and regeneration. With this cooperation, the distillation of the management and standardization of chemical and recycled fabrics can be optimized. Under the context of caring for environmental sustainability, the transformation of textile and apparel industry leaders will force the textile and the apparel supply chain to follow the transformation and improvement. Therefore, IKEA will pay more attention to supplier certification and whether it can meet green environmental protection or vice versa.
Hi, my name is AMARULAMIZI bin RAHIM. My nominee A20A1480. For my part is postponement and VMI. IKEA has identified opportunity to do this by employing a postponement strategy in market distributions. There are 4 postponements implemented in IKEA, which logistic, production, purchasing, and product development postponement. Idea for postponement: the purchasing postponement give priority manufacturing product based on purchasing offerings, because without that, the another postponement can do that. For VMI, IKEA has launched its first VMI partnership in 1996, and it now has 19 partnerships. VMI's ordering methods differs for IKEA typical ordering process in the order proposal and submitted supplier rather by IKEA employers. VMI system with database to connect another distribution, either store, supplier, and distribution center. The system VMI is like a ring, such as diagram in the slide with the circle ring designs. The next is performance measuring. IKEA has measuring performance using the balance scoreboard, its financial perspective, customer perspective, internal business perspective, and learning and growth perspective, as you can see at the slides. It becomes increasingly necessary to be able to fully utilize all the company capacities. Let's take example. We pick financial perspective. Financial metrics are useful for summarizing economic effect of past activity in IKEA. Hence, they are included in the scoreboards. It shows whether the IKEA plans is being implemented and executed in a way that benefit of bottom lines. Financial indicator includes return on capital employed and economic value created.